Hello everyone, welcome to the Stock Trading Tutor channel. In this video, we'll be looking at DHFL and its current situation. So before we go into that topic, I'd like to remind you of the stock market awareness program that we are conducting for the Karnataka region on 29th June 2019. In order to register for this free training session, all you'll have to do is go to the stock market awareness program form, and this form we have the link given in the description below. All you'll have to do is fill in your basic details, which are email ID, name, mobile number, and location. So this event will be occurring in Bangalore in the Alice Blue offices in Dwarka Nagar, Yelahanka. However, if you're not from this region, you can still fill this form, and the region which has the most number of requests will also try to have free training sessions in that region. Now let's go into the news about DHFL. So to get some idea about the company, DHFL stands for Dewan Housing Finance Corporation, and it is a deposit-taking housing finance company headquartered in Mumbai with branches in major cities across India. So it's the second housing finance company to be established in the country, and it's among the 50 biggest financial companies in India. It was established and incorporated by Rajesh Kumar Vadhavan on April 1984, and the company's name was changed to Dewan Housing Development Finance and later to Dewan Housing Finance Corporation. So let's look at some of the milestones of the company. In 2010, DHFL was acquired by Deutsche Postbank Home Finance Unit for 1,079 crore rupees. On December 2013, DHFL acquired 74% stake in DLF Pramerica Life Insurance Company Limited. As of June 2018, DHFL has 209 branches and 113 centers. It also has a representative office in London. The main products by DHFL are non-housing loans and deposits. So let's look at the recent crisis news regarding DHFL. The main news is that as of June 4th, DHFL has delayed interest rate payments. The net asset values of several debt schemes have fallen by 6 to 53% on June 4th, reflecting the marked down value of their holdings in the DHFL paper. They have missed interest payments which are worth 960 crore rupees. DHFL has also faced a series of downgrades by rating agencies on its debt over the past 2 months. In order to ease the liquidity situation, the company and Madhavan Global Capital have sold stake in many of their subsidiaries. So in February, Vadhavan Global Capital had announced that it is selling its entire 70% stake in this housing finance company, Aadhar Housing Finance, to Blackstone. DHFL, which held a 9.15% stake in AHFL, has also exited the company. In March, Vadhavan Global Capital has entered into a definitive agreement with an affiliate of the Warburg Pincus Group to sell its entire 49.04% stake in its education finance subsidiary Avans Financial Services. So, to get some more background information on this crisis, on September 21st, DHFL got the attention when DSP Mutual Fund sold 300 crore rupees of DHFL papers at 11% in the secondary market, which is way higher than the traded rates, sparking speculation that DHFL could be facing liquidity issues, which has been strongly denied by the company. On January 29th, an online investigative portal alleged that DHFL promoters had lent money to shell companies, alleging linked to the promoters who have used this money to buy assets abroad. On March 7th, its share price post the accusation fell further, prompting CARE Ratings to downgrade the ratings of the various debt instruments of DHFL by a notch. On May 19th, CARE Ratings downgraded DHFL's fixed deposit program worth 20,000 crore rupees from A to triple B minus, and CARE A signifies low credit risk, while CARE's triple B minus signifies moderate credit risk. On May 21st, the DHFL stopped acceptance and renewal of fixed deposits. It also stopped renewals and premature withdrawals from existing fixed deposits on hold. On May 30th, it informed the stock exchanges that it will not be able to furnish the audited standalone and consolidated financial statements for the financial year 2019 within the time stipulated by SEBI norms. On June 4th, it had delayed interest payments on its bonds and bonds repayments worth 960 crore rupees due on June 4th. On June 5th, ICRA, CRISIL, CARE Ratings, and Brickwork Ratings have downgraded the credit ratings on the commercial papers of DHFL to D, which stands for default owing to their liquidity concerns. So, credit rating agencies have downgraded the commercial papers outstanding of 8,500 crore rupees to default. The company has a loan outstanding of 1 lakh crore rupees with public sector banks funding nearly half of it. It's not the default on a 1,000 crore rupees loan or a downgrade of the 8,500 crore rupees that is the problem, but the worries that the entire 1 lakh crore which is scaring the market as of now. The debt mutual funds net asset value that generally move in a band of few percentages during a year have seen a drop of 30 to 50% in a single day. Mutual funds have an exposure of 5,400 crore rupees and have to mark down their net asset values of their bonds by 75%. So the collateral damage caused by DHFL's commercial paper and the downgrade ratings and defaults. Let's look at some of the major losers on the mutual fund side. First is DHFL Pramerica Medium Term, which had a 37% holding of DHFL papers, so their net asset value fell by 53%. DHFL Pramerica Floating Rate Mutual Fund, which had a holding of 31.9% of DHFL papers, fell by 48% in its net asset value. Tata Corporate Bonds Mutual Fund, which had a 28% holding of DHFL paper, saw a 29.7% fall in its NAV. Baroda Treasury, which held 21% of the papers, saw a 17.2% fall in its net asset value, and DHFL Pramerica Low Duration Mutual Fund, which held 20.1% of the papers, or DHFL's holdings, fell 16.6% in net asset value. Now, these are the major five big losers in the mutual funds. However, there are 22 mutual fund houses holding papers of DHFL. There are 163 schemes which have papers worth 5,236 crore rupees as of April 30th, 2019. However, these mutual funds can write back their investments if DHFL pays the interest within 7 days. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos on stock market and trading, please subscribe to this channel. If you'd like to create a free Demat account with Alice Blue, click the link in the description and fill out your details. You'll also get intraday recommendation calls and you can learn robo trading software for free.